Welcome to the world of wonders for kids. Hi, little learners. Today, we're going to learn all about the 7 days of the week. Do you know what day it is today? Let's explore the names of each day and what makes them special. There are 7 days in a week. Let's go through them one by one. First on the list is Monday. Monday is the start of the school or work week. A great day to begin learning and doing your best. Many people use Monday to plan what they want to do for the rest of the week. Next on our list is Tuesday. Tuesday comes right after Monday. You're already into the week and getting things done. It's a great day to keep up your good work and stay focused. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. We're halfway there. People even call it Hump Day. It's a perfect time to check how you're doing and keep going strong. After Wednesday, we have Thursday. Thursday is a good day to keep working hard. The weekend is getting closer. Some people use Thursdays to finish important tasks before Friday. Moving on, we have Friday. Friday is often the last school day of the week. Time to finish your tasks and look forward to fun. Many kids are excited on Fridays because the weekend is just around the corner. After Friday, we have Saturday. Saturday is a day to relax, play, or spend time with your family. Many people have this day off. You might go to the park, play games, or even go on a fun trip. And finally, we have Sunday. Sunday is a peaceful day for rest, family time, or fun activities before the new week begins. Some families enjoy meals together or prepare for Monday on Sundays. That was a fun journey through the week. Let's quickly recap all 7 days of the week before we play a little quiz game. Ready? Let's say them together in order. Here are the 7 days of the week. To begin with, we have Monday. Following that is Tuesday. After that comes Wednesday. Up next is Thursday. Then we have Friday. Coming right after is Saturday. Last but not least, it's Sunday. Take a good look at the 7 days of the week, and then we'll begin our short fun quiz. Now that you remember them, it's time for a quick and fun quiz to see how well you know the order of the days. Are you ready? Let's go! For my first question, what day comes after Monday? That's right, Tuesday comes after Monday. For my next question, what day comes after Wednesday? Yes, Thursday comes after Wednesday. Great job! For my final question, what day comes after Saturday? Correct. Sunday comes after Saturday. You're amazing. Awesome work today, kids! You did a great job! Remember, there are 7 days in a week, and each one is special in its own way. Keep practicing the order of the days, and soon you'll know them all by heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now!